This is the 2022 version of the Challenger 287GA Graphite Premium. The same vehicle is in Chausson, and the first person who names what it is in Chausson will have their comment pinned. And do try to enter this competition. 68,500 euros and 235 centimeters in width. And this one here is on a Ford, so it's 699 centimeters long, and if it were on a Fiat it would be 696. The reason for that is because the Fiat's nose sticks out more. Now you've got the L-shaped lounge table. It'll double. That's only half the table you see there, because it'll come out again. Small kitchen block, or average size kitchen block, and this kitchen comes with 2 cups and 2 burners, but it has a large sink, as we're all now doing in 2022. Got storage up there, and there's a television space up there, and a largish fridge from Dometic. In here we've got the washroom, which has a rather large mirror, and you can pull out this false wall if you're strong, and that comes out to reveal the shower. And I think the shower is an okay size. It also comes with a sliding door, which is currently closed using this thing here. Now if I come to, if I come to the back, you can see we've got this German layout. In the German layout we have got a wardrobe, which is really nice and deep, and in here we've got another wardrobe. Boxes in the stairs going up, and here more storage. Now so far so good, but this thing here is a total disaster. This thing here comes out, and so if you didn't have the mattresses here, you could pull this thing out, but in my experience they often get broken. I'm not going to do it because I don't even want to risk breaking it. How about that? Up here, this will come up. There you go. You can get in to your wardrobe like that. You've got more storage there, and at the back more storage too. This thing here, when it's designed to fit into this space here when you have the German layout, but as I said, I don't want to break it if it isn't already broken, and this, I really don't like this at all. And indeed, this, well, I can see it's already been forced into that's just an example. There you can see it's already on its way to the world of being broken. Oh, I forgot to mention this one here comes up as well, so I'll do that now. So you've got all this stack of storage in there, but that is a deal breaker as far as I'm concerned. That does not work. Anyway, I tried filming it in other videos, and I'm not going to risk any more. Right, down here we've got the storage as well. This opens up, as does this. Right, I'll take you out. Plenty of storage here, but why hasn't that up there being used? That is the question. We've got this sort of light thing here, more decorative than anything else. And space up there as well not used. I do appreciate it's not easy to reach, and there is a bit of a ledge there, so maybe, okay, well, you say, well, you can stick something behind it, cushion or something that's not going to hurt you when it falls off. Table's got one of these telescopic things, which is pretty convenient in my opinion. Garage would carry not only a silly bike like this, but a proper one as well. Indeed, with the silly bikes, the handlebars actually are roughly at the same height. Roughly, because the wheels, of course, are bigger, but the stalk to the handlebars is shorter. Plenty of storage in the garage as well, and I'd show you down the side if there were any way of doing it. You've got an entrance to the garage on this side as well, but even if it's open, I'm not going to try, because this Rantka R550 is next to it, and that campervan has my favourite campervan layout in it, and to scratch it would be a pity. So it says bestseller, and don't know what that word means, because that one's a bestseller as well. There's probably lots of bestsellers here. Right, I'll have a look at this one as well, because it's a 7-metre van, 287 GA Start Edition. I'll just have a little walk through to give you the idea of what's going on. You've got a bed up there. Okay, this is another German layout. I like the colour scheme better, but that's not good enough reason to make a purchase. You see, very similar in here. And I wonder if this one here is broken as well. Oh, it hasn't been broken there. Nope, that one hasn't been broken yet. Okay, so things aren't as bad as I feared. And gotta say, can't see much difference. And of course there is a insect screen there. This thing here is going to cost 63,000 euros. Here is yet another 7-metre motorhome. This is the 268 Start Edition. It has a queen bed and costs over 65,000 euros. So, got a bed up there, kitchen, step up to the place where the queen bed is. There's your toilet, wardrobes either side, storage at the back, and here we've got a way of putting the bed up. We could even give it a go now. Only I can't do it. Oh no, I can't do it. Sorry. Ooh. Oh, there you go. I suspect that might be easier if you're not holding a camera at the same time. There you can see under the bed, you've got an entrance to the garage from the back, very nice. From the side, very big garage. You can get storage under the bed as well. Not bad in a 7-metre van. And there's the shower, which I'd show you if I could. Quite large actually. But space has been saved for the bed by having a smaller lounge with a face-to-face setup. So if you know the numbers in the Chausson, do write them down. And if somebody writes them down and is incorrect, write the comment under it that that's incorrect. According to my dog, should be a different number. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. If you didn't, then there's nothing I can do about it now. I've done it.